So today we will understand and practically know how to set up the calendar for the projects in the P6, which is one of the important tools as well as the concept to be cleared, especially for the time management perspective. Okay, so here we can see the window of the P6. So we will go to the enterprise and the calendar. We have the three types of calendar: the global, resource, and the projects. Most of the time we will use the global calendar, and it's specific for the resource and the projects. So here we will go in a global option. Okay, so 8, the new calendar setups, and we will create on the behalf of this anyone as shown in the background. So we will hit on the standard full time and the assigned, and we will just name the calendar as a global calendar. Global calendar. Okay, and just we will modify the global calendar. Okay, so here we can see the whole setup of the global calendar, what we have created and modified. Okay, so here are the two options. The first is the total work hours per day, and the second is the detailed work hours per day. So first, total work hours per day. We can see the weeks, days, and the month and years. So here we can see the different colors. We can see the days in the white colors as the standard, which is the working days, and which is we can see Sunday and Saturday in a bluish color, which are non-working day, and there are some of the exceptional days. Okay, so we can adjust or make on holidays based on the country calendar perspective. So we can see each of the working days consist of 8 hours per day. Okay, 8 hours per day, as we can see by clicking on each of the weekdays. Okay, so here we can see the work. Okay, we can see the work. Okay, we can see we can customize each of the days. Okay, as the 10 March we can see is a working day, we can make is a non-working day. Also we can make it as a working day. It is based upon the country calendar holidays, public holidays. Okay, and here we can see the worksheet. Okay, work weeks. Okay, we can customize each of the weekdays. Here we can see as Sunday and Saturday are the holiday. So we can create the Sunday holiday, 0 working hours, and Saturday there is no holiday, that is 8 hours per day. Okay, here we can see it has been changed the whole weekdays. Only the Sunday of each of the month there is the holiday, and the rest of the days it is the full working day. Okay, and there is a time period also, hours, 8 hours per day, and the 40 hours per week, and the 172 hours per month and 2000 hours per year. Okay, and we will go and also we can adjust the working hours, okay, based upon the construction projects. Okay, uh, either 8 hours or more than or less than of it. Okay, and we will just go to the next option is the detail work hours per day. Okay, so where we can see uh, the detailed work hours per day. Okay, there are the work hours that is 0 hour 0 minutes 0 hours to 30 minutes, or we can do 30 minutes to 60 minutes, means over duration is a 1 hour. Each of the slots consists of the 1 hours. Okay, and you can see as you can see from the 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., 10 a.m. to 11, and just going on it. So we can adjust. Okay, if we need the break, maybe the 1 hour break for the lunch break. Okay, we can just we can just press it and just click okay, non-working means okay, and just press it non-working. Okay, okay, which specify, okay, this is okay, okay, this is okay, okay, and okay, this non-working. Okay, okay, standard. Okay, okay, show working. Okay, we okay, so here we can change. Okay, from the works. Okay, here we can change on the day of the week from Sunday to Saturday. Okay, okay, yeah, okay, work, okay, non-work, okay, non-work, okay, time, okay. If we want to make one of the work hours as a non-working hours, we can non-work. Okay, and just click as on non-work. Okay, and just okay, and hit on the work. No work. Okay, okay, and worksheets we can see each of the yes, we can see here the calendar weekly hour option. Okay, the day of the week from the Sunday to Saturday. For each of the weekday we can arrange the work hours. As of the Sunday we have kept the holiday for all of the months. Okay, so color, the blue color we can see is no working hours. For Monday from 8 a.m. onwards to 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So we can customize as per our requirement. So let us okay, manage or make some of the, maybe the 12 o'clock we keep it as the non-working, means we can keep as a launch halt. Okay, okay, non-working. Okay, and 1 hour. It depends upon the project to project. Okay, 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 and yes, this is a way Either we can do or create the calendar based upon the total works per days or total works hour per day. Is totally depends on the construction projects what we can make the changes to the calendar and just hit on the OK, and here we can see the global calendar we have just created. Okay,